Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to increase brightness in Roblox, perfect if your game looks a bit too dark or hard to see. Before we jump in, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you find this helpful. It really supports the channel and keeps tutorials like this coming. Alright, let's get started. Sometimes when you join a Roblox game, the environment can look darker than usual. Maybe it's nighttime, in-game, or the lighting is just dim. But there are a few simple settings you can change to make things much brighter and easier to see. First, while you're in Roblox, click the Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Graphics Mode. By default, it's usually set to automatic, but what you want to do is switch that to manual. Once you've done that, adjust the graphics quality by pressing the plus button until it's set to the maximum level. This increases the overall detail and brightness of the visuals. Next, look for background transparency. If this is turned up too high, your screen can actually look darker. So make sure it's turned all the way down. That will make everything appear much clearer. Now, click Resume Game, and you should already notice a nice difference in brightness and visibility. But there's one more quick thing you can do outside of Roblox to make it even better. Go to your desktop, right-click on an empty area, and select Display Settings. Once that opens, you'll see a brightness or display brightness slider. Drag it all the way to the top to get the best brightness level your monitor or laptop can offer. And that's it! You've now made Roblox brighter both in-game and on your screen. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe even share it with a friend who plays Roblox too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.